Okay, we are live. Nining Jo Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jackline Ikang of Pod. One segment is Chaka Ikang. Today our guest is my brother, Okeny Pa'Eli. We wanted to go live today to discuss the current topic, which is the 2026 Uganda elections that just concluded. And we wanted to get a sentiment on what people are talking about, what they think about the election, and whether or not that has any impact on the Acholi of northern Uganda, and also just to see how many of them actually turned out to vote within this election. Okay. Before I go into any stats, okay, I want to turn it over to you. Introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what you think about the election, what you have heard within our communities. I know we are the Acholi of South Sudan, but we care a lot about the election in Uganda. We also have family in Uganda currently. We just want to find out what people are saying about the election in 2026 in Uganda and what they're thinking about as far as how to move forward from here forward. Okay, what do you think?
Anyway, thank you for welcoming me,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Bailey. Basically, my take on the election is Uganda may gitimo gibolo kwi tuki, but dana wenye wabe ni mo seven no win nyolo gini puri pien kipa wajo kirene politics tiro gina katugu para lanyo. So in kara lanyo ko yala in many to politics ko. So mo seven nga momo lony yala ka tie gi army pe lutini latin pe ra tia lo mi army ni. So chene yala ka army equal basically success. So dara we ngi a be no ni mo seven no win gini. Ngan mo iken kaya choli wa tienen northern Uganda ko ngi a be ni NRA or NRM kila ko men NRM gin mena gitiero gina lo tela mi Uganda wa yang wa chon so mo seven no better mogadi so what from 86 to now so what is that that's 39 years maybe
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
or at least close to it
Mm-hmm.
so yeah election in Uganda man wa yang wa ngi wa be actually wa ngi nyo muni men ngi wa be jo ati Europe jo ati America ngi ne uh Museveni me ngan ma to kwanye gi kompe pien enti kero mi chene yala kero para loin yala ngan ma to pe Bobby Wine mergina uh Bobby Wine ti al coin anok Bobby Wine pien yeah admire ti a musician pop lakin substance per mo pe low logo speech ma one and a law and tie me ke dano alu ena lutini mara ena pian tieng la we again log mo kone mi neo kida politics la temo kere wi logo nyo kere ni Uganda kenyo ni en iro ngamo lungo ne rookie ngamo atia nyen yala yeah tie me ka nyuru gana tia nyuru good sign mara bolo tini atena nyo future mi Uganda but et where timo gimoko munu gana wing ngan mo ken ngati politician nyo ngan mo ngeo gati atime any Uganda kenyo ngeo ni Bobby Wine mer munu lo luo ni side show gimope yeah you walk low gitime anything but
Yeah.
chero kamoko yala ngati kena kira nina wajane politics munu katugu polo lanyo kari dang anything itim anything ki pe ki chape chen no yo come yala
Ada.
ka kid me Africa ni ngewa be
Mm.
miri bera dwa ching dano so
Mm.
Bobby Wine pegi uh, army pegi at
Mm.
ope atiro gina
Mm.
uh lungoning on atino mo 7
Muhozi, Kono Muhozi.
yeah tigi gina
Mm. Yeah,
and
command military, Kolo.
and command military kolo
Mm.
so ingi tuero chiro gimagi chamo ken
Mm.
lu kumi kala security nga gi gami gi timo ranyi kumi
Mm.
so ilwe ngira back kino election o timene
Mm.
nyire oringo gi gang pere mena onongo
Mm.
and Bobby Wine
Mm.
bien tia luo ne joni gi bino ko la
Mm.
maga en yo go la timo en lo go
Mm.
lo ne
Mm.
pera waje BBC
Mm.
ni army helicopter gi kire gang pere kono ngo no gi pie ku gi mera maga en ya la ken gumma be en ringo
Mm.
so mutia nyuro men again in
Mm.
ga presidential candidate
Mm.
ka police army nyo kid ngan mo eken mere bin ga magi nyo mere bin ga negi nyo mere bin atimaro ni kumi so mu nyuri in lo tie na ngari ngala pe lo
Mm.
tie nena in chal
Mm.
uh gi pe nena en chal ngal mo atwero gi mo Uganda
Mhm. Mhm.
uh
Mm.
lo gwi gina lo mi election me yeah pe take lakin
Mm.
dara wen yo at bear no ngani en mose
Mm.
7 I win gini so
Mm.
giot and exactly kila dana tia tama no team
Mm.
so
Mm.
and another 5 years
Mm.
and we you chal toy come keep the dana in
Of course.
toy come
So, tema kija ba charge laptop para lakin Amiro wajaningo. Amiro look at gonna the impact maybe this may have on the Acholi community of northern Uganda. Amiro nero their population and whether or not impact to the at all election to the Uganda. So I was looking at some stats. I don't want to the recorded population of the Acholi community of northern Uganda at approximately 2 million, Keken, uh, in comparison to the total population of approximately 51 million. Muna Mercado, when you turn out to vote, what do you think? What kind of impact do you think the Acholi community of northern Uganda will have on this type of election in Uganda?
no actually me tigi kero
Mm,
yeah it's a small number 2 million
mm,
but out of the 51 million kidi waje kerene
mm,
uh, only I think under 10 million magi tiro registered voters. In Africa, dana you vote in ko. Lobi election, dana vote ko. But out of the 10 million, I think Museveni or no 70 something percent of that. So actually 2 million to go no magi donyo voting gingi konya Museveni man. I think the last election actually konya Museveni because inge baganda gigina gitia gina kachwa Bobby Wine yala gin gitia na gina Museveni new government and me Uganda pay war gin kidana and gin ma baganda ni dana pay war again so the only thing was actually yala ka dana moko gikonyo Museveni in the last election but this election turned out them in a bochid malo cat. But in your bear Museveni will win Guinea anyway. That's why and I'm here queen and all okay.